Hi there, my name is Tyler Garns. I'm the founder and CEO at Box Out Marketing and the original Infusionsoft Ninja. I'm going to walk you through a demo of Infusionsoft's new user interface. This is a trial account that you can sign up for now, and in the trial account it has the new user interface that eventually will be rolled out to all Infusionsoft accounts at some point later on this year. So the first thing you'll notice is that the dashboard is much improved. It's a much cleaner interface, and you've got different options here for creating a dashboard. I'm not going to go into the details of that, as I just want to show you how the basic interface has changed to improve our lives. When you click on contacts, you'll see a list of contacts, and you can, of course, then eventually you'll be able to filter these contacts based on tags and other criteria. That filtering process looks entirely different than it does currently, where you will just add criteria as you need in the filter instead of having to search through all of the different custom fields and all of the different tags to create the criteria for your search. If we click on one of these contacts, you'll see that the contact record is designed in a much better, more usable way. I've got activity here. I can go to the contact details. I can look at notes. I can look at tasks. I can look at the calendar. All of those details are right here. What's really exciting about this as well is how well all of this shakes out in mobile format. So if I flip over as if I were in a mobile device, you will see that everything is very mobile friendly. The sidebar menu moved up to the top where I can access my different items there, and the contact record itself still is very clean and easy to work with. If I go to broadcasts, I can see all of my recent broadcasts here as well as the performance, and then of course I can send a broadcast there. The campaign builder is not yet modified, but the screen showing the list of campaigns and who's active in the campaign and things like that is modified, and shows things in a more graphical way. You'll notice that when I go to reports, it does just load the original reports that are in the current flagship interface as we see it today. So there's no change there. It's just that we're changing the navigation. Settings are all found here under one area instead of all different settings areas in Infusionsoft. Again, these areas will eventually be designed to match the new user interface. But this is an exciting preview into what's coming. Infusionsoft is investing heavily in updating not just the interface, but also the functionality of the software, as we've seen with the new landing pages and other features that are coming out now. It's an exciting time to be an Infusionsoft user, and I'm definitely looking forward to the future.